guys! Hi guys! I'm back with another video. I'm on the it's what? I'm on the LifeBoat. Why are they so loading? By the way, it's Mario here, but in Minecraft LifeBoat, my name is Ellie the Famous. Look, do you like my jumpsuit? Ooh, I'm back in the beach. Oh, I'm so lonely because little Casey is not here, and I'm all alone in this lifeboat. And I'm gonna make sure you this is episode 3, and be sure to like and subscribe. Okay, guys. Let's go in the... What do I have kids today? Oh, there's a VIP there. Let's choose a kid. What do I choose? Let's choose the classic VIP. Excuse me. Okay. I've got selected the classic SG classic kit. Okay, I'm gonna do this /hub. And everybody wants to stay here in the beach. Okay. I'm just joking, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's play. Excuse me. He is so creepy. By the way, let's play the Moonlight Lake. Okay. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh. I wanna say that I'll be right back, and there's 1 second to go. I'm gonna play this. Actually, guys, I love Hunger Games, and if you like to have a, what do I call it? If you like to have a season 2 of the LifeBoat series, just like and comment I want to. Just like that, so easy. So let's play now. I'm so nervous about this, guys, because last time we're gonna die sometimes. Oh my gosh, I die sometimes in here. I know. Oh my gosh. Flying is not enough. I'm gonna play it again. We're gonna play this what's it called? Cookie build. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. It's my little sister. Look about in here, guys. Wait a minute, guys. And I'm back, guys. And let's play. Excuse me. Let's play now. Excuse me about that. Sorry. Look at that, guys. It's just like my twin sister. Hi. Gonna play that. Okay. Starting soon now. Excuse me. But where's the two of them? Okay. Oh, I'm so nervous. Why I'm so loading? Oh my gosh, it starts. Soccer. Soccer again. This and this, and this, this. Again, a cobweb. Where's the cobweb? There. Oh, I hate that. Ah. Let's pick another. I'm panicking, guys. One, two, three, four. 1, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. There. I'm panicking. Panicking. I'm done. Whew. Just in time, guys. Not bad. I'm so nervous about that. Poop. I'm so nervous about that. Whew. If I lose this, guys, I'm gonna end this video right away. Poop. I'm so nervous about mine, guys. Oh. Okay. Look at mine. It's so funny. That's just like a cookie, guys. Okay. Very bad. What can I say except you're welcome? There's only one block, and that's a grass. Look at it. Yes, I win. I win. I win. I win. Yeah. And so, guys, thanks for watching my video this week, and I'm gonna make again tomorrow. See you again soon, guys. Bye.